Zaidi boy here, aka a rational Muslim. Guys, Technoman is your motherfucking man of the moment with a plan. This pendejo de su madre, he wants me to be his digital marketer. This pendejo de su madre. Su mia is mi puta, basically. Escúchame. I fight this guy just to get this phone I'm talking to you on, dear viewer. Dear user. I call you user to remind you that we're all being used by somebody, man. Everything but the bathroom commode, eh? Do, 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 do. That sound wins. Why do I do it? And how did it come about? Do, 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 do. Don't start a fight with this thing. I almost got crushed by a guy in a goddamn truck last night. So, Canuck women. Mass confusion, hysteria, borderline, paranoia, loathing, self-loathing. Guys, some girl will just do a twirl. Like, seriously, it's hard to explain without sounding like some fixated fucking fag, yo. Hey! Play nice now, children! Hey! Play nice! The damned children are everywhere. This stuff, of course, is madness. It's kind of like, yo, you do this for years and it's like, put in a street touch, a jail touch. You take some guy and basically you want to straighten this guy out, you send him to jail. There's nothing like really that compares to just being inside of a fucking cell. So this guy is that the pinnacle of goddamn home delivery food services. He wants me to be his digital marketer. I'm, of course, right now, like this video, like your photos has a geotag, location sensitive kind of information. Google knows where you are, like every fucking thing. Like if you are connected to a cell tower and they triangulate you with two other towers. I mean, what do you want with your privacy? What about transparency? Hey, biker! Biker! Children, play nice! Children, play nice now! Hey! Play nice, little ones! So now, I'm giving you all of his advertising copy and stuff like this. This is great, because this is what I saw from the road, biking by, which drew me into his vortex of ineptitude and improbability. Do, 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 do. So this is 3001 Markham Road. So mark it on a piece of goddamn ham, man. Do, do, do. So it's silly shit, right? It's silly shit. I saw his stuff. Now, this is what I said to him, and he's giving me pushback. So he needs to do this, and then I see he's for real. He said the problem with these signs, which people have up and for some reason continue to sell, as in marketers sell these signs to customers like these businesses. Of course it's temporary. Listen, you pay $100 for 50 signs or some fucking thing. You got to do some math. However, I told him to get a sturdy sign. Now he's telling me all kinds of shit. I said, listen, talk to one of these other shops and tell him you'll go on the front of it, he'll go on the back. It's the same fucking thing if you think about it. The guy going to work and coming back from work sees one side than the other side of the goddamn sign, right? Listen, this guy's a loser, whoever sign this is. If you put a sign out there, and it's like, you got to check on this shit because that's your brand. This is something I just learned. I knew I was vaguely suspicious of it. It's something basically that Gary Vee calls refurbishing your content. It's a hard fucking thing. You have to go back and create thumbnails like I'm doing right now. I'm just telling you what my current project is and what the fuck I'm doing with my time, god damn it. Telling this guy to get a sign and he doesn't want to do that, right? So then he wants me to do what for him? I told him to get on Google Maps for free. He's like, well, the pictures don't show up. That's a problem between you and Google, not me. God damn it. Now I know Google is not some small shit in most people's mind's eye. However, I beg to let you know that I think differently about the whole thing, man. So now, I'm sitting in the shade, right? Like, I want to get into the fucking shade so fucking bad. It's so fucking hot. I want to smoke this cigarette on the ground here so bad. Doo, 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 doo. So this Canuck woman sound, laser sounds. This is like some girl literally like this. Okay, fucking painted toenails, yeah. Hot as shit, yeah. Christine Nielsen. There was two of them. One at ActiveState.com where I worked. One of them at CA.com where I worked. Formerly known as Computer Associates. Do, 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 do. Now, you may or may not believe that Oracle and companies of its ilk sell vaporware. Do, 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 do. Guys, there's no product, there's no service. There's some guy like me with a tie and he's got other people with ties and Beamers. Or a nice rental, like a Mustang. This guy will be like, whatever, you take him out to fucking restaurant, get him high and drunk and prostitute, whore him out for the night. And then you got a deal, right? So my boss's boss used to say, "Hey, nice day, eh, children? Do, 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 do. Hey, nice day, eh, children? Hey." I'm just having fun with the kids, right? It should be obvious. Like, the question, what about the kids, answers every other goddamn problem / challenge in society. Hey! He's a construction guy. He's a sharp guy. He's poised to strike, right? Do, do, do. He's waiting for the gap in the traffic. So you pay attention to these things. I want to start a street podcast so bad. I want to start a podcast with different, like a ventriloquist kind of fucking thing. So this guy over here again, Technoman. Do, do. Yo, I tell this man to get on Google Maps for free. He doesn't want to have anything to do with this thing, or he's done it. Then I say to him, get a sign. A nice sign like this one over here is not going to fall over. You come round, check it once a month. If you put out a sign or some fucking thing, you check it once a month, right? Do, do, do. Like, she was in that Mustang, but she was so snooty. Children, play nice now, hey! Hey! Children! When will children be as a child? Do, do, do. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Like, I'm just basically letting the sun decline in its apex or vortex and trying to remind myself that not having hair, do, 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 and people know about it, is not such a big deal. So I put some blonde in my hair over here, okay? Blonde. Color, it ate off a chunk of it. What do you think I should do about this, guys? Like, this would be the place where I get some of this fucking... I like doing these things, you know this, right? I want to get LASIK so bad, right? Just because, like, it could work and it could work out really well. People do it. You know what? What the hell? I'm gonna smoke this goddamn smoke. Do, 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 do. So this noise and Canuck women. So Christine Nielsen, part 1 and 2. Painted toenails or varnished. Why am I fixated on fucking toenails? Guys, this is 2022, all right? Go to TyLopez.com, okay? This guy will give you an e-commerce store done for you, DFI, DFU, DFY. Done for you. He'll put his own fucking gear in there. Like, you get to use his, he'll fulfill it for you. TyLopez.com. Right, guys? Detroit Roy, guys. Hey! Nice shirt, my friends. So now, something I was saying in the previous video, you want a different persona that comes out through your art / marketing / business. This is how this fucking thing breaks out. Art is with your hands. Science is with your head. Science is books. I just read this in a goddamn book called The History of Fucking Warfare, assholes. Warfare. By a guy who fought World War I and II and was a high-ranking goddamn commander in World War II, and he fucking landed in Normandy and all this shit. Yo, he talked to fucking Winston Churchill, guys. The History of Warfare. I wish I had the book on me. I left the house. You know what? I'm gonna try and make a rule. Not to leave the fucking house without a book. Like, literally. Without a goddamn book, guys. So now, something I was saying earlier, dear user, something I was saying earlier, you need to have a different personality, like for your art / marketing / business. I talked about this on a blog of mine, which was taken down because I didn't update my credit card, because I was in jail or some fucking nonsense. I don't even know if it's worth asking those fucking people if they got it on their backup data servers. It may just be a case of buck 'em and duck 'em, like 5-year probation, war of the masses, the outcome is disastrous. Many of the victim family gather their ashes. This is a gathering of the Wu-Tang Clan that come to pay their respects. Guys, pay attention to what's going on in the frame, for would-be YouTubers. Okay? You need to be street smart to be an artist. Art is about your hands. Eventually you'll find that you need to get out of your damn house. Nice one, Tanaka. SYOOH. Stay out of your house. SOOYH. Sierra October Yankee Hotel. So now, guys, stay out of your house. Like, you need to let your thoughts settle, and they don't in your house. This is my final report to you. So, you go outside, it's fucking hot right now, but at least it's not wet. And guys, as a ex-homeless person, yo, lollipop, do. So the iPhone, I hold it. If you watch my videos, Poor Man's Workout 1, 2, and 3, I do a thing called yoga with weights, right? If there's a rock handy, you hold the thing, and then the weight I don't know why no one does this, right? Like, I don't know what the fuck to say. I've been promoting it since 2016, right? In some crude shape or form, right, guys? So, yoga with weights, you're holding the weight like this, okay? Now you hold your iPhone like that. Don't jiggle your fucking wrist. Like, understand, you gotta watch what you do to learn, and you'll learn very quickly. You watch it one time and you see it jiggling around and you're like, I have to slow it the fuck down. And the first time round, then you're probably gonna be like real slow, right? So you learn, like, and you pick things up. And then there's the advice of experts. This is something to be taken seriously. Guy who has 1.9 million YouTube subscribers and this kind of thing, he knows what the fuck he's talking about. Right? So if Alex Becker, like, now, at the same time, you learn through actions. Alex Becker rambles for 5 minutes and he's talking nonsense and it's funny as fuck. And they're putting in unicorns and flashing sounds and all this shit. Then he calls that intro. That's his fucking intro. So now, here's what I say to you. I realized it clicked because I'm a sales guy. You need a greeting and you need a fucking intro, which is basically you ramble and your thoughts basically collect. Like the reason I come outside, guys, the reason I come outside is because you need fresh fucking air. You need fresh air and not to have worries or cares about your hair. It reminds me of this fucking thing from Saskatchewan. Like, why did the Saskatchewan farmer paint rabbits on his head? Because he thought from the bald guy, right? He thought from a distance they'd look like hairs. So this is, the outside world is infinitely amazing, interesting, right? Like this kind of shit right here, like for a guy who just was like in jail not too long ago and keeps reminding himself not to go back there, right? Outside world, fresh air, just move about, right? Get a bike. I got a nice Walmart bike here. I'm so fucking proud of it. Like my new client, Pam, yo, I got a goddamn Swatch watch. I need a battery for this fucking thing. Do, 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 do. I got this silver chain, $30 from Value Village, I think. One of these thrift stores, right? One of these goddamn thrift stores, man. Rush all of a sudden. So my wife and I, we go into a shop and then suddenly there's 5 people behind us. And this has been going on not for months, but forever. Like, that's what happens. Like, so this is just something you pay attention to. You'll keep running into the same things. You'll be like, a lot of them are negative because it's like a negative wake-up call. Like, you had a fun childhood, right? It's 50-50. This is what people don't understand. And I'm telling you, life deals shit to you or deals a good hand to you. And you gotta grit your fucking teeth and face it on, like, head on. Motherfuckers. I ain't want to sit and forget it. So again, marketing, all it is being there or showing up and looking good. What's looking good? I don't know. Your fucking face. Look at it. Have you looked at it in the mirror? I don't even look at mirrors, guys. For years, like forever, since I meditated. Started in 2007. Anyway, lots of people, all of a sudden, both ways. What the fuck? Yo, guys, your iPhone, please, if you have a fucking iPhone, I should filter these videos or put an ad out. I gotta work on this thing, guys, so I ramble a lot. If you are interested in any of what I'm saying, 2 options, comment or like or dislike. I'm not worried about you subscribing. So now, ask me what you want me to talk about, this kind of fucking thing, right? Or where I left a gap in what I was saying. Guys, my original Zaidy Boy channel, Z-A-I-D-I-B-O-Y. Z is in Zulu, Alpha, India, Delta, India, Bravo, October, Yankee, motherfuckers. Alright, so I was downtown one time. I remembered starting this story and I didn't finish it. I meet some fucking street dog from like Tampa or some bullshit, Jacksonville. Like Florida, like some fucking fag from fucking Florida sitting there dissing Canada on the goddamn pavement outside of the Sev on Bay Street and Queen Street. I'm like, are you serious right now, asshole? Like, you're a white fucking guy to begin with. Like, you should be more circumspect. And like, who the fuck are you to tell me these things? Anyway, so I took him to the fucking cleaners because he says I'm a goddamn Navy SEAL. X. I said, really? Where's your ink? As in your tattoo. If you're a criminal or in a gang, you have a tattoo. Or the armed services, right? Cops are cops, right? I don't know about fucking cops. Like, yo, COs, corrections officers, they got fucking tattoos right now. And like smartwatches. Like, guys, I tell women, for example, I'm going around in circles within circles. Okay, so deal with it or let me know. Or go to my Zaidy Boy channel where there's more stuff like this. I don't get any like comments from there or likes, dislikes, money because Google locked me out of that thing. YouTube.com/ZAIDIBOY. Facebook.com as well, /ZidyBoy. Just Google ZidyBoy. I'm trying to train myself to say Google ZidyBoy.